Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael McDonald.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the show. Thank you very much. Welcome to the show. I'm very excited because tonight we have a very special guest who happens to be one of my best friends in show business. Perhaps you know him from his work in Buffy the Vampire Slayer. He also has an upcoming film called Knockaround Guys. But I know him best as my co-star in both of the Austin Powers films. Ladies and gentlemen, Seth Griggs!
That was kind of awkward, man. I mean, do I know you or something? Have we met somewhere? Because they're all hugging me.
Yeah.
So.
Seth, it's Michael McDonald. I was in Austin Powers 1 and Austin Powers 2, The Spy Who Shagged Me.
Seriously, you were in the movies?
Yeah, I was in both films. I had a very pivotal role in both films.
Ah, sorry. I mean, I don't remember. You got like a clip or something?
No, I don't have a clip, Seth, okay? But I played a security guard in both films. Okay, this is Mad TV. I didn't have a clip. But I'll tell you what, if it's okay with you and everybody else, I'll act them both out for you. A little sample. Austin Powers 2, Spy Shag Me. I'm in a security guard outfit. Okay. General, we have a problem. Scene. Okay, that was it. Just for added pleasure, I'm going to do Austin Powers 1, and I'm security guard. And here's how it went. No! Steamroller. This is a steamroller scene. Remember that?
No, I got it. I got it. You threw me off because you said co-star, so I thought you meant like co-star, but you meant extra. It's cool.
No, I didn't mean extra. I had dialogue,
Yeah,
which means
glorified extra. Yeah,
no, I'm
that's cool.
I'm an actor with a role in a part in both films.
Very
right?
small.
You know, yeah.
Almost not a part.
Yeah, speaking of small. Look down here. You know what Mike Myers said? Actually, Mike Myers said I could have played your part, but you know what the problem was? Too foxy.
It's sweet of him to like try and protect your fragile ego. It's sweet. Yeah, it was nice.
You know what I think is sweet is your outfit tonight.
Well, I'm just keeping it real. Keeping it real.
Yeah, keeping it real. All right, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the show with me and my buddy Seth.